It is natural for every human being to be slightly obese. Stomach cramps are caused by eating too much fat and doing too little exercises. Why does the stomach come forward? It doesn't go back, for there is a spiral cord at the back. Where will go when we push from the top? It will become a big arrows if not controlled. Eventually, everything turns horizontally. People will upset by looking at their stomach, but they don't worry about reducing it. They feel a lot in front of the mirror, but they never convince at their diet. అద్దం ముందు చాలా ఫీల్ అవుతారు, కానీ అన్నం ముందు అస్సలు కన్విన్స్ అవ్వరు. If possible, fix a long mirror in your bathroom. Let us find out what you need to reduce the stomach. Keep the target. For stomach growth can cause a lot of problems. There are different types of stomachs: stress belly, hormonal belly, bloated belly, alcohol belly, and mummy belly. But very often we see two types of bellies. Moreover, stomach below the belly and stomach above the belly. For some, the two above merged beneath. If you want to lose weight, you must first do two types of exercises. Two legs that do not lie on the floor should be raised to a height of 1 foot. The muscles
Then lie down onto the
in the
floor.
lower
Try and
abdomen
maintain
carry
the neutral
as
pelvis
much
of the spine.
weight
So this
as
means that
the
I
legs.
want that slight curve in the back.
This
I
means
don't want you to sink into
that the way
mat
of
because
the
this
legs
tends to activate the
can
glutes.
cause the abdominal muscles to stiffen or lose fat. Keep it as long as you can. Do morning and evening for 10 minutes every day, and you will see an incredible change in a month. Some people do not raise up two legs, so one leg can be raised, or you can try with both legs straight up. Along with that exercise, the chest should be also be raised one step up along with two legs. The seat should be below the waist and the upper arms should not touch the upper part of the abdomen. It's quite difficult, but try and try and try. Do you take rest? If so, in that little time, do like this. When you are in the bed, count on compliments not to sleep with this mattress. Place palm right below belly bottom. Exhale and allow stomach to expand, then inhale. Drawing abdomen toward the box spring. Hold for 10 seconds. Repeat 4 times. Sleep well. Along with these exercises, you can also drink some liquid made of lemon and ginger. Cut lemon into small pieces, also ginger. Let them be boiled for a few minutes and then filter it and keep it in fridge for 5 minutes and drink a cup morning and evening.